This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the wheel diagonally opposite to the one being removed. Open the tailgate and remove the luggage compartment floor panel. Undo the retainer, then lift out the spare wheel followed by the vehicle toolkit. Place the spare wheel under the door sill in case the jack fails. Where fitted, pull away the wheel trim using the tool provided. Using the anti-theft wheel bolts adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Pull out the plastic section, then position the jack head under the jacking point and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. Locate the spare wheel over the hub and align the mounting holes. Insert the bolts and lightly tighten them. Lower the vehicle to the ground and refit the sill plastic section. Tighten the bolts securely. Where applicable, refit the wheel trim. Stow the vehicle toolkit and punctured wheel in the luggage compartment floor recess and secure them with the retainer. Refit the floor panel. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks.